Today I'm going to show you guys how I made this Ingrown Hair Concentrates, and it's super easy to make. But before we get into this, I actually have a coupon code for you guys for Formulator Sample Shop. Use my code TaraLee, all capital letters, for 15% off your entire order. You can only use this code once, so choose wisely. A lot of these ingredients I use in this video are from Formulator Sample Shop, so if you want to recreate this product, use my coupon code. So I'm going to be making a 150 gram batch, and I already went ahead and weighed out my first ingredient, which is pumpkin seed oil. And I chose this oil for this formulation because it does help soothe inflammation, but you can substitute this out for really any other plant oil that you would prefer. Now the next base ingredient is C12-15 alkyl benzoate. You can use any other emollient ester in place of this, like caprylic capric triglyceride. And the reason why we want to add in some emollient esters is because it does help reduce the greasiness of this formulation. Since this formula does consist of all oil-soluble ingredients, it's a pretty greasy formulation. So adding an emollient ester will help reduce that greasiness. But you can replace this with a plant oil if you prefer. Your product just may be greasier. So now I'm going to add in some vitamin E, and vitamin E is an antioxidant. This will keep the oils from going rancid, and this also helps moisturize and soothe the skin as well. Alright, so here's our active ingredient. This is called bisabolol. Now I did Google the pronunciation, so if it's wrong, blame Google. But this is an ingredient that helps accelerate the healing process of skin, and it protects it from the effects of daily stress. And it's known to have anti-irritant and anti-inflammatory properties. Now it's time for some rosehip seed oil. This is high in vitamin A and C. It soothes and moisturizes the skin and restores flexibility of skin. Raspberry seed oil. This helps moisturize, it's anti-inflammatory, and helps repair the skin. Papaya oil. This helps even skin tone and firm the skin. This is oil-soluble aloe vera extract, and you want to make sure it's oil soluble. If it's water soluble, it obviously won't solubilize in the formula, so you want to make sure it's oil soluble. And aloe vera extract helps soothe and moisturize the skin. Now this next ingredient is carrot resin, and this is oil soluble as well. This is rich in beta carotene as well as vitamins B, C, D, and E, and it's most useful as a skin rejuvenator and extremely effective for dry and aging skin. It improves the complexion of the skin due to its strengthening effect on red blood cells, while toning the skin and increasing elasticity and firmness. Now last, I'm adding in some tea tree oil. This reduces inflammation and can help open pores. So I'm going to go ahead and package this up in this really cute cubed bottle I found on Amazon. I'll link to them down below. I've been obsessed since I got them. So I wanted to make sure I made enough to fit in this bottle. But honestly, the best bottle for this type of product would probably be a bottle with a dropper. That way you can easily just drop it onto whatever part of the body you want to apply it, instead of having to pump it out into your hand and then apply it on your body. It's a little bit messier that way, but I mean, this totally works if you don't have a dropper bottle. And then I also made a test batch here that I'm going to go ahead and add in this bottle as well. And there you go, that's the finished Ingrown Hair Concentrates. So if you guys need to know how to use this, first, before shaving, you want to exfoliate because that is super important to do to prevent ingrown hairs. So first exfoliate and then shave. And after you get out of the shower, you're done shaving, whatever it is, dry off, take a few pumps of this stuff and massage it onto the area that you just shaved. And that should really help prevent ingrown hairs. And make sure you're using this every time after you shave to help prevent them. And you can even use it like the day after shaving, just any time after you get out of the shower. Just massage the area you shaved, and that should help reduce ingrown hairs. So if you guys want to purchase this bottle or any of the ingredients I used in the video, I will link it down below. Also, don't forget to use my coupon code if you buy from Formulator Sample Shop, or 15% off your entire order. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Later!
Stuck in the motions, I've been consumed by the wrath of time, like I'm frozen. I'm shattered in this life, it's still the path that I've chosen. Because I've had a vision, now I'm on a mission to find myself with music and find someone to listen.